Parents are first teacher in a child's life. Parents' contribution is equally important in their child's education as their first teacher. Help your child to prepare for kindergarten and make their base strong with simple and interesting workbooks that are designed for pre-K and up. I personally use these workbooks for my son and he really enjoyed doing the activities mentioned in these books. These books not only gave him the exposure to the different subjects but as well as different concepts. So if you are homeschooling your child, then definitely add these books in your child's curriculum. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all the must-have pre-K workbooks. So stay tuned. I'm Shweta Mahesh. Welcome to ICAREBABY Parenting. I make videos on parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new here, then please subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will get the update on the latest videos. So moving on. So the first workbook is the Scholastic Pre-K Jumbo Workbook. It's very thick workbook and it has numerous activities for children to do such as tracing, mazes, vocabulary, ABC, letter sound, rhymes, numbers, shapes and patterns, sorting, first science, etc. My son enjoying working on this workbook, and it also includes the stickers and certificates. So once your child finish with this book, you can give him or her certificate. It gives them the sense of accomplishment. So I bought this from the Target, but you can also buy this from the Amazon. So I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. The next book is the Crayola Reading Readiness. Since I taught my son how to read, so this book helped him to build word and understanding sound. So this is a must-have book. So it will also help your child to learn new word and increase his or her vocabulary. So the next book is a School Zone Numbers 1 to 12. It helps your child to learn counting from 1 to 12. It has very simple activities for children to do. So the next workbook is Bendon Same or Different, in which a child need to identify the difference between object and patterns. They need to match the object. So this book will help in improving your child's observation skills. So the next book is again from the Bendon Math Concepts. So this book will help your child to understand the different mathematical concepts such as tall, short, big, small, heavy, light, etc. as well as the patterns and shapes. Most of these books contain the accomplishment stickers, so once your child finishes the activity, you can give them stickers. So the next book is a Preschool Learn Shapes, in which your child will be able to learn about the basic shapes, how to draw them, spell them, count them, etc. So next is KUMON Science Workbook. This book contains the different fun activities for your child such as coloring, stickering, mazes and much more. So this book explains the basic scientific concepts in easy to understand language and playful activities which children find interesting. So my son enjoyed this book a lot. He did all the activities again and again many times. So I recommend buying this book for your child too. So if you like to buy the one, then I have mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. So the next workbook is KUMON Logic. It contains the comparison pattern, the reasoning and recognition. It helps your child to enhance their logical skills. So one thing I like about the KUMON books is that on top of every chapter, your child get to write their name and the date. So in this way, they learn how to write their name as well as the date. So at the end of this book, your child will get a certificate of accomplishment. So the next book is the KUMON Geography US and Canada. This book contains geographical information about the US and Canada, the regions and states, river, valleys, famous places, etc. Since we live in the US, it helped my child to understand more about the US and Canada. So the next book is a KUMON World Geography Workbook. This book contains the information about different continents, landforms, world famous places, animals, etc.
When talking about art, children at this age enjoy coloring, and what if they get to know about different shapes and how the colors are formed? Well, the first book is from the Preschool Learn Colors, wherein a child can learn about primary and secondary colors, recognize color, write the color name. Next book is The Little People Fisher Price Colors and Shapes. It contains activities wherein children can learn to identify colors, write the color name, identifying shapes, practice shapes, counting, etc. All these books brighten children's skills in various ways. They all have simple activities to do which your child can enjoy doing, and at the same time they will learn with fun. The most exciting part of all these books come with the stickers. So once your child completes one activity, you can offer stickers to them to boost their confidence and promote them to do other activities. If you have such a list, then definitely share that with me in comments down below, as other parents in this community will benefit. I would love to hear from you.
So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Till then, ciao!